I've had questions about my sun protection sleeves. And I use it to keep the sun off my arms, but a lot of gardeners use them too, and I think it would be a great Christmas present. But they're easy to put on and off. Sometimes when I get warm, I just take them off, and they're easy to wash. But another thing is we can take our bottle of water when you're hot, and if you spray it on here, it cools you down, because you've got, when you're bike riding or even when you're hiking, the breeze will cool the arms.
It will.
It will.
When someone's asked about our bags, we'll try to explain why we have them. The bag back here is to carry all our extra tools and a tube, so I can fix anything that happens on the trail to a bike. This one we just carry our snacks and tissue and cameras and odd and end stuff in here, but it's really handy because it's right between your legs and it's easy to get to.
I put my camera in here one time, hit a bump and it bounced out.
Yep.
So I use it for other things.
Yep. And there's other packs that has bigger pockets that you can put your camera in, but this one doesn't have it.
It just unzips very easily and has this lock and has this lock and everything. On my bike, someone asked about my bag up here. It just loops around the front and underneath to stay on here. I like having an odometer. It tells me how far I have to go to get back. It also gives you the speed. There's a little magnet here, and then here's the
sensor.
The sensor, and then it runs up.
It's wireless.
Oh, it's wireless. You got a fancy one. Mine has a wire on it.
No, it doesn't. It's wireless.
Okay, mine's wireless too. This is my camera mount. It's my little GoPro. And it pivots. Let's see. Which is pretty handy because you don't want to just see what's in front of you all the time. And
if you want to look at yourself, you just turn it towards yourself.
That's right. And it pivots up and down. There's a little screw on the side here that you unscrew, and then you just lift the camera right out of the mount. It started raining just as we were getting back.